Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You first make sure both monitors are plugged in and powered. Check HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cables and the monitor input. Once done, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings to start detection. Click Detect if Windows doesn't list the second screen right away. This forces the OS to scan physical ports. You do this now because physical connection and an explicit detect call remove the most common barriers before we change resolutions or rearrange screens. You'll see numbered displays after clicking Identify. Match those numbers to where the monitors sit on your desk and drag them into position in the diagram so cursor travel feels natural. Make a choice in multiple displays. Extend to expand your desktop, duplicate to mirror, or select a single screen. Then set resolution and scale for each monitor. If you need to tweak refresh rates, open Advanced Display Settings. Doing these steps makes sure Windows and performance behave correctly across different sized screens. Apply your settings and move a few windows between displays to confirm everything works. You can also use Win+P to switch modes quickly. If a monitor still won't appear, update or reinstall the GPU driver in Device Manager or via the vendor utility, because driver issues often block detection. Finally, recheck cables, try a different port or a spare monitor, and make sure each display's input source is correct. This simple hardware check fixes more problems than you might expect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.